Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are going to make bhindi or okra. For this dish we are going to need okra, onion, tomatoes, salt, turmeric powder, red chili pepper, Heeng powder or Asafoetida, Garm Masala, lemon juice, oil and cilantro. Okay, my stove is on and my pan is hot. I'm going to add oil. We'll check it if we need more. We're adding Heeng powder. Once you feel the aroma, add onion. We can add a salt, and salt helps cook quickly. So for this recipe, we are not going to make them golden brown. We're just transparent, and we're like once it's transparent, we're good. So looks good to me. We're gonna add tomatoes. That's a beautiful color though. We're adding turmeric powder. Adding kasuri red chili powder. It adds the color and also a bit spicy, not like too crazy. Look at the color with that, it's just so pretty. We're adding a okra. So I use the frozen okra. I didn't have the fresh one. If you have a fresh one, you wash them and dry them before you cut it. So adding that. So we're adding lemon juice. I usually use amchur powder. And today I didn't have it, so I'm using this. What it does, it cuts down this laciness, the gooiness, whatever this thing. I'll be, once it's done, you won't see anymore. And we're gonna cook it uncovered, not for really high. We're gonna turn down the heat and we'll check it. So we're gonna stir in between, otherwise it'll stick to the pan. When you cook okra, you need TLC, so we're not need to be like rushing, or we don't leave it alone. We keep come in and check in, so it won't like burn or so. Okay. Okay, so it seems like our okra or bhindi is ready. So you can see it now. There is no gooiness in there. Everything is like separated. So you can see every single piece. There is no gooiness. Now we're gonna add garam masala. We're gonna mix it well. So we're adding cilantro or green coriander in there. We're gonna save a little bit for garnish. If you don't like cilantro in this, it looks very pretty anyway, but add more flavor, you can add cilantro. Okay, our bhindi masala is ready, and let's plate that. Okay, here is our bhindi masala or okra is ready to eat. It looks very delicious. You can eat with chapati, rice, paratha or naan. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave the comment below if you make this dish and tell me how that turned out. I will see you with the new video. Until then, take care.